We all know that in Lagos, there's a multiple complaint concerning demolitions and irregular house planning. Yes, a lot of people have been complaining that after they purchase lands, most times swampy lands, fill these lands up and build buildings like hotel and many other things, even personal homes. The government still come back to break this house. Now, most of us might ask, who did they buy this or purchase this land and properties from? And if you check, these people are giving a very, very, very good and valuable papers for the properties and land they purchase, but in return, those same people who give them those receipts and papers are still the one who come back to break the house, all in essence or just to say the houses were built on a drainage way or a roadway. Anyways, this is a new reformation. The new town planning in Lagos includes the development of large-scale master planned communities like Lagos New Town in the Ibeju Lekki axis, which focuses on modern infrastructure, green spaces, and a mix of housing for residential and investment purposes. Other key initiatives involve government efforts such as the Lagos State Town Development Authority, which are known as NTDA, and the recent planning permit amnesty program to regularize existing buildings. These plans aims to address challenges like rapid population growth, housing deficit, and the need for sustainable development, and are a response to the city vision for a resilient and prosperous megacity as outlined in the State's Development Plan 2052. Some of the key new town planning initiatives in Lagos are: 1. The Lagos New Town, a master plan development by Mixta Africa in the Ibeju Lekki area, designed to accommodate over 200,000 residents. It features modern infrastructure, abundant green spaces, and has become a significant hub for real estate and businesses. 2 is the Lagos State New Town Development Authority, a government parastatal established to manage the planned growth of the Lagos State and create new, vibrant, mixed income and high income neighborhood, according to their website. Now, there's another planning permit amnesty program. The Lagos State government recently reintroduced this program to regularize unapproved building. It requires applicants to submit a comprehensive set of documents and ensure that only buildings meeting minimum standard receive approval, promoting orderly and sustainable development. Lagos State Development Plan LSDP for 2052. This is the overarching strategic document guiding development. It envisions Lagos as a prosperous, developed, and resilient megacity with initiative and strategies to achieve its goal. There is also an urban planning focusing on sustainability. There is a growing recognition of the need to incorporate sustainable practices such as preserving natural infrastructure like wetlands to mitigate issues like flooding and sea level rises, as highlighted by the Lagos Physical Planning Summit and organization. How to apply for a planning permit? Submit your application at any Lagos State Physical Planning Permit Authority, district office, or through the electronic planning permit known as EPP office at Lagos State Planning Permit offices headquarters. There is one in Ikeja, but these are some of the things you need to know. Ensure all necessary documents are included, such as title documents, proof of ownership, survey plan, architectural drawing as built, and structural, electrical, and mechanical drawings, and order as applicable. The application will be processed according to the town planning regulation, and approval will only be granted to buildings that meet minimum standard based on the Lagos building permit. So with this effort now, none of us will be crying about our houses being demolished or property being demolished by the Lagos State government and getting little or minimum settlement for our properties. I actually did this research while I was home, and I felt so bad when I watched a lot of videos of people's houses and homes being demolished, and I hope this video helped one or two of our brothers out there who's trying to make this kind of purchase, buying a house or buying a land, so that none of us is going to fall victim of bad properties. Anyways, my name is Emmanuel Bernard. If you find this video in any way informative, educative, or interesting, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you could get more videos like this. See you on the next one. God bless you as you watch to this extent.